chicken snowman.
Chicken snowman.
Welcome to Ryan's Family Review.
Oh, he already knows.
He knows how to do it.
So here we didn't know that you're supposed to pull the string and not hit it.
I don't know if you can grip this.
You gotta poke it?
It's hard.
Oh yeah. Can I poke it?
Yeah.
There's no rules.
You can punch it.
I'll be knocking out you. Huh?
You gotta do it the real way now.
Hold on. Yeah. Because if you're a host of SourceFed, then you become pretty famous.
Yeah. So we're here to meet a famous YouTuber, which you will see in a bit.
Say welcome to SourceFed.
Welcome to SourceFed.
Like this, with your let your mom take a picture like that.
It looks like a monkey.
That looks like a monkey? You didn't know we're here to meet a monkey? Here, hold on.
Take a picture. You ready?
Take a picture.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
It looks like a monkey.
And Ryan is super excited because he made a new friend.
You want to get some candy?
You want to go for the candy?
All right, bud.
There you go.
There you go.
I'm out of breath now. Wanna try?
Oh.
Oh, today.
Oh, the favorite thing, Shaun of the Dead. Whoa. I love it.
Going on a bridge.
We're going on a bridge, yeah.
Come on, hurry.
Woo! Okay, so we found this restaurant called Claim Jumper.
Restaurant jumper.
Restaurant Jumper.
Restaurant jump.
Look at the dessert. Which one looks good? That one?
I want this dessert. Hey, look, there's a cake.
Yeah.
I'm gonna touch it.
Don't touch it. Let's go. Let's go find Daddy.
I'm
We
gonna
love Daddy.
Oh, like it.
Thank you. What kind of food do they have here? Oh, they have a kids menu too. Alright, so our food came. This is Mommy's food. That's Ryan's food.
Already eating.
Already eating the French fries. And that's Daddy's food. Big sandwich over there.
Yeah. Dip it.
Oh, so this is our dessert toffee.
Looks good.
And whipped cream, Ryan's favorite. A lot of whipped cream.
Yummy.
Ryan's just eating the whipped cream.
Oh, whipped cream is the same, Ryan.
That's what it looks like up close.
Ryan got the whipped cream on his school.
Whoa.
I'm gonna do whipped cream water.
Okay, so we're gonna leave California. And we left a big mess for people to clean up. Sorry. Let's go, Daddy. Say bye.
People didn't even clean up our food yet.
They're gonna clean it up later. Yeah, we ordered Ryan some pizza yesterday. Thank you for holding the door. You know what to press to go down? There you go. We are on our way to, where are we going now? Do you know where we're going?
To the swimming pool.
To the swimming pool. Alright, let's go, Ryan. Too cold for the swimming pool.
Yeah, we're going to the swimming pool.
Are you wearing your jacket?
We're going to the ice cube
Oh,
pool.
the ice cube pool? That's even more cold. I hope not. I'm freezing.
We're going to the ticket pool.
What is a ticket pool?
You swim in tickets.
You swim in ticket. Why you dropped it? silly. Ryan dropped his toy. Got it?
This is what I got from the airport, and this is the plane we're gonna fly on.
Yeah, so this is United Airplane. This is the plane we traveled to California and back. You press that and you see the lights there. Cool. It sounds. Oh, where is it going? Where is it going? Where are you going, United? Ah, crash landing.
Ooh, it's too cool. I want to leave it in here.
Really? Wait, where you going?
Oh,
Hit Daddy's feet.
crash.
It didn't really. Did you see?
Whoa. Oh. Whoa, it's going faster.
Not even flying.
Take off. Okay. All right, so Ryan's gonna be the dinosaur. There it is. Ow. It doesn't work. The dinosaur's gonna attack. I don't think he can. Yeah, flying away, flying away.
Another sound's about to turn
Flying
on.
away. Oh no! Stop! Help me! Help me!
We have a Pokeball, and I don't know what's inside, but I want to get Pikachu.
You think you're gonna Pikachu? So these are all the ones you can collect, and Ryan wants Pikachu right there.
I'll help loose it off.
Oh, okay. Shh.
Ah. Stop.
I'm trying to take your glasses
What?
off.
Trying to grab my glasses.
Oh no! Oh, you got it!
Oh, you got it.
Whoa!
Can you put it back on? Thanks.
What's inside? What is that?
We didn't get Pikachu.
We didn't? What is that?
The bad guy.
A bad guy? I can't tell who it is. Who is this? Looks like
And
a...
candy.
Like a...
Candy.
Oh, and candy.
I have no clue the name.
I don't know either. Want to open it for me?
But he's a bad guy, though. But I know he's a bad guy.
Because he looks like a bad guy? Because he
No.
looks evil with the spikes?
He's eating the candy.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what we got. You guys... Oh, no! Oh, no, you eating the candy? Oh, I'll get my candy back. I'm gonna... Oh, no! Oh, no. You can't get me. I bet you can't get me. Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no! Ah! Oh, no! You got it. Where are you taking me, Ryan? Where are you taking me?
My body.
Where? I'm scared. I'm nervous.
I'm gonna eat you.
Oh no, don't eat me.
Nom, 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 nom.
Okay, so he's gonna go on the ride. Let's see
The
if we can do it.
Pokemon upside down.
Yeah, Pokemon upside down. Going on an airplane ride. Whee!
Open. Peppa Pig and surprise. I hope we don't get Susie Sheep.
You don't want Susie Sheep?
Maybe have like 10 Susie Sheeps.
Chocolate. Open.
What's inside?
Ooh, it feels pretty light. It has to be one of the kids or something.
Okay.
Go good.
Who did we get?
I don't know.
We don't know who it is?
George.
Hi, George. Uh-oh. Oh, no, don't attack Mommy. Oh, not the Pokemon.
No.
Oh, no, George. Let's go find George. Oh, I can't get George. You can't get him. Yeah. Do you want want to build a snowman. Yeah, so.
Oh yeah, that's in the song.
Yeah.
Vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream.
That's actually supposed to melt.
Okay, Ryan, you have about 3 minutes, okay? I'm gonna check back in 3 minutes.
Had 3 minutes and 3 balls.
Yeah. The eyes are coming on for Daddy.
Middle's like medium.
I don't think that's mustache, that's the mouth.
Mouth, yeah.
Peppa, Daddy. So funny.
Definitely a funny snowman.
I'm funny man.
You forgot the nose.
He forgot the nose. That's right, he's a carrot now.
That's cute.
Daddy and baby.
That's
Me
right.
and Daddy.
So I got a daddy snowman with no hand because it didn't include it for some reason. And here's Ryan. Baby Ryan snowman.
Baby snowman. You should go to
No
bed.
win, sorry. Sorry, snowman.
No legs. A chicken snowman.
Chicken snowman. Look at